Most people fail at portable power for one specific reason, and the fix is simpler than you think. They buy a power bank that looks great on paper but dies when they need it most. Wrong capacity, wrong output, zero solar compatibility. The result? Dead devices during a camping trip, a blackout, or a genuine emergency. Portable Power Life was built specifically to solve this problem. Their resource hub gives you a clear, proven starting point with no guessing and no wasted money. Let's break it all down right now. Imagine you're 3 days into an off-grid trip. Your power bank hits zero by noon on day one. Your phone is dead. Your CPAP machine won't start. Your mini fridge stops cooling. This is not a rare scenario. It happens constantly to real people. Why? Because most buyers skip the capacity math, ignore output wattage, and purchase whatever looks impressive online. The wrong power bank doesn't just inconvenience you. During a real emergency, it can be genuinely dangerous. The stakes here are not small. Portable Power Life gives you a structured, no-fluff system to fix this immediately. Their approach breaks down into 4 clear steps. Decide exactly what you need, choose the safest option that fits your use case, test it on a small scale first, then improve from there. That framework alone eliminates 90% of common buyer mistakes. The site is organized around quick picks, deep dive guides, key terms, and a pro checklist. Whether you're prepping for emergencies, planning off-grid living, or outfitting an RV, they match you to the right solution fast. No overwhelm, just clarity. The flagship option featured on Portable Power Life packs a 1070 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery. That chemistry matters. LiFePO4 is far safer and lasts significantly longer than standard lithium-ion. It delivers 1500 watts AC output, enough to run a mini fridge, power tools, or critical medical equipment. The 100 watts USB-C port handles laptops and fast-charge devices with ease. Most impressive, it recharges from 0% to 100% in just 1 hour. For camping, emergency prep, or off-grid use, that recharge speed is a genuine game changer that separates this unit from the competition. Portable Power Life specifically recommends this 1070 watt-hours unit for emergency preparedness, and the reasons are hard to argue with. Emergencies don't wait for slow charges. The 1 hour full recharge means you can top it off from solar or grid power before a storm arrives. The 1500 watts AC output covers essential home appliances, including fans, lights, and medical devices. LiFePO4 chemistry doesn't degrade from frequent charge cycles the way older battery types do. Pull it out of storage after 6 months and it still performs. That kind of dependability is exactly what matters when things go wrong. For RV travelers and off-grid homesteaders, Portable Power Life highlights this 1070 watt-hours LiFePO4 station as a top-tier daily solution. Pair it with solar panels and you get a virtually infinite loop of clean, silent power. The 1500 watts AC output runs your coffee maker, fan, phone chargers, and lighting simultaneously without breaking a sweat. The 100 watts USB-C port handles high-draw devices without needing a second adapter. No generator noise, no fuel costs, no campground hookup required. This is what sustainable, practical off-grid living actually looks like when it's done correctly. Portable Power Life calls out camping as one of the primary use cases for their top pick, and the numbers back it up. The 1070 watt-hours capacity delivers multiple nights of power for lighting, device charging, and running a compact cooler. LiFePO4 chemistry handles temperature swings better than standard lithium packs, which matters when nights get cold. At 1500 watts AC output, you're not compromising on what you bring to the site. Their guides walk you step by step through sizing solar input, choosing the right cables, and building your camp power system correctly from day one. What separates Portable Power Life from the noise is their methodology. They publish honest takes, real selection criteria, and a fully transparent section explaining how they choose and recommend every product. No inflated specs, No affiliate pressure used to hide underperforming products. Their key terms section educates buyers so you understand exactly what you're purchasing before you spend a dollar. Their pro tips and common mistakes list protect you from the traps that catch most first-time buyers. This is a resource built by people who genuinely understand portable power, not just people trying to sell it to you. If you've been burned by the wrong power bank before, or you're just starting out and refuse to waste money, Portable Power Life is your clearest next step. Go to portablepowerlife.com powerbanks/right now. Their hub covers everything: quick picks, buyer checklists, safety guides, and in-depth reviews of the 1010 70 watt-hours LiFePO4 station and more. Start with one clear goal. Follow their 4-step plan. Pick the right unit for your exact situation. You'll never get caught with a dead battery at the worst possible moment again. The link is waiting for you in the description below.